Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lina.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Adam. It's very nice to be here with you today.
Hello, Adam. Hello, everyone. I'm Lina. I'm happy you are here with us.
Yes, thank you for joining us today. We're very glad you're listening.
Adam, how are you today? You look relaxed.
I feel relaxed, Lina. Today is calm. No rush, no stress. How about you?
I feel good too. A little tired, but happy. It's a quiet day.
I like quiet days. Before we start, Lina, can we say something to our listeners?
Oh, yes, of course. If you enjoy listening to us, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Official.
Yes, thank you. It really helps our channel. And now, let's talk.
Today we're talking about daily life in a small town. I like this topic.
Me too. Small towns are special. They feel slow and peaceful.
Adam, do you live in a small town?
Yes, I do. I've lived there for many years. It's a simple place.
What do you like about it?
I like the quiet mornings. I wake up early. I hear birds outside my window.
That sounds nice. No traffic noise?
No traffic, no loud horns, just birds and wind.
Wow, my town is small too, but not that quiet.
Really? Tell me about your mornings.
Well, I wake up around 7. I make tea in the kitchen. I look outside.
What do you see?
I see the same people every day. My neighbor walks his dog. The bakery opens.
Ah, the bakery. That's important in a small town.
Yes, everyone knows the bakery. The smell of bread is everywhere.
I love that smell. In my town, the baker knows my name.
Really? That's very small town life.
Yes, he says, "Good morning, Adam," every day.
That feels friendly. In big cities, people don't know your name.
That's true. In small towns, people talk more.
Adam, what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I walk to work. My office is close.
You walk? You don't drive?
No need to drive. Everything is near.
That's nice. I walk too. Sometimes I stop to talk to people.
Yes, that happens a lot. A short walk becomes a long walk.
Because everyone wants to talk.
Exactly. How are you? How's your family? How's work?
And you stop for 10 minutes.
Or 20, but I don't mind.
Me neither. It feels warm.
What about your work, Lina? Where do you work?
I work in a small shop. It's a clothes shop.
Do many people come?
Yes, but I know most of them. They're regular customers.
So you talk while you work?
Yes, we talk about weather, family, plans, simple things.
Simple things are important. Adam, what do you eat lunch at? Sometimes, but often I eat at the cafe.
The cafe near the square?
Yes, that one. Everyone goes there.
I love that cafe. The owner is very kind.
He always asks the usual?
And you say yes.
Yes, coffee and a sandwich.
I get soup, especially in winter.
Soup is perfect for small towns.
Adam, what about the afternoons? Are they busy?
Not really. The town slows down.
Yes, after lunch, it's very quiet.
Shops close for a short time. People go home.
Some people take a nap.
I do sometimes too, just 15 minutes.
That's healthy.
In the afternoon, children come back from school. You hear laughter.
Yes, kids play outside, parents talk.
Everyone knows everyone.
Sometimes that's good, sometimes it's too much.
You mean gossip?
Yes, news travels fast.
Very fast. If you buy new shoes, everyone knows.
That's true, but people also help.
Yes, if someone is sick, neighbors bring food.
That's the best part.
What do you do in the evening, Lina?
In the evening, I cook dinner. Simple food.
Do you cook alone?
Sometimes my sister visits.
That's nice. Family is close in small towns.
Yes, after dinner, I walk a little.
I do that too. The streets are calm.
You see familiar faces.
You wave and smile.
Adam, do you like this life?
I do. It's slow, but full.
I feel the same. It's not exciting, but it's real.
Real life. Simple life.
And sometimes that's perfect.
Yes. But Lina, daily life also has challenges.
That's true. It's not always easy.
Maybe we can talk about that next.
Yes, the good and the hard parts.
Let's do that.
So, Lina, we talked about the calm parts of small town life, but daily life is not always easy.
That's true. Small towns feel warm, but they have problems too.
Yes, nothing is perfect.
Adam, what is difficult for you in a small town?
Sometimes it feels too quiet, too slow.
I understand. Some days feel the same.
Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat.
Yes, every day looks similar.
In big cities, there are many choices. In small towns, not so many.
That's true. We have one cinema, one gym, one main street.
If you don't like something, there's no other option.
Exactly. Sometimes I want something new.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I walk, I listen to music, or I call a friend.
Calling friends helps.
Yes, but sometimes friends are busy too.
That can feel lonely.
Yes, a little, especially in the evening.
Evenings can be long in small towns.
Very long. After dinner, everything closes.
No late cafes, no late shops.
Just quiet streets.
Some people like that. Some people don't.
I like it sometimes, but not every day.
That makes sense.
Adam, do young people stay in your town?
Some stay, many leave.
Leave for big cities?
Yes, for work, for study.
My cousin left last year.
How does she feel?
She likes the city, but she misses home.
That happens a lot.
She misses family dinners. She misses neighbors.
In cities, people don't talk much.
Yes, she says people rush.
In small towns, people stop and talk.
That's true.
What about jobs, Lina? Are there many jobs?
Not really. That's another problem.
Same in my town. Few jobs, same places.
If you lose a job, it's hard.
Yes, everyone knows.
That can feel uncomfortable.
Privacy is small in small towns.
Very small. Everyone notices everything.
Good news travels fast, bad news too.
That's true.
But people also support you.
Yes, when my shop was closed for a week, people asked me every day.
That's kindness.
It made me feel cared for.
Small towns have big hearts.
I like that.
Let's talk about weekends. What do you do on weekends?
Weekends are simple. I sleep a little longer.
Me too.
Then I clean the house.
Cleaning never ends.
Never. Then I go to the market.
The local market?
Yes, fresh vegetables, fresh fruit.
I love markets. You meet people.
Exactly. I talk more than I shop.
That's very small town style.
Adam, what about you?
On weekends, I visit my parents.
Do they live nearby?
Yes, 10 minutes away.
That's nice.
We eat together, we talk, we relax.
Family time is important.
Very important.
Do you ever travel?
Sometimes, short trips.
To nearby towns?
Yes, just to see something different.
I do that too.
After traveling, how do you feel?
Happy, but also happy to return home.
Same for me. Home feels safe.
Small towns feel safe.
Yes, I don't worry much.
I feel comfortable walking at night.
Me too.
Adam, do you think small town life will change?
Maybe slowly, but the feeling stays.
The feeling of community,
Yes, people helping people.
even when life is slow.
Slow life can be good.
It helps us breathe
And think.
and enjoy small things,
Like morning coffee.
like saying hello.
Like knowing your neighbors.
Adam, small town life sounds simple, but it has many feelings.
That's true. Simple life is not empty life.
It's full in a quiet way.
I like that.
Me too.
In the next part, maybe we can talk about why people choose small towns.
Yes, why they stay, why they return.
That's a good idea.
let's talk about that.
So, Lina, we talked about daily life, the good parts and the hard parts.
Yes, quiet mornings, friendly people, but also boredom sometimes.
Exactly. Now, I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Why do you stay in a small town?
That's a good question.
Take your time.
I stay because I feel connected. I feel like I belong.
Belonging is important.
Yes, when I walk outside, I see familiar faces.
That feels comforting.
Very comforting. It feels like home.
I feel the same. Even after traveling, I want to come back.
Me too. Big places are exciting, but small towns feel warm.
Some people say small towns are boring.
Yes, I hear that often.
What do you think?
I think boring is not always bad. Sometimes boring means peaceful.
That's a nice way to say it.
In small towns, life is slower.
Slower can be healthier.
Yes, less stress, less noise,
More time to think.
more time to feel.
People often rush in big cities.
Always rushing, always busy.
In small towns, people stop.
They listen.
They care.
Adam, do you think small town life is good for families?
Yes, I do. Very good.
Why?
Children can play outside. Parents feel safe.
Teachers know students.
Neighbors watch out for each other.
That's true. My neighbor always says hello to kids.
That builds trust.
Trust is important.
Do you see yourself staying forever?
I don't know.
It's okay not to know.
Maybe I'll leave one day. Maybe I'll come back.
Many people do that.
They leave to explore.
And return for comfort.
Yes.
I left once too.
Really?
Yes, I lived in a city for 2 years.
How was it?
Exciting, but tiring.
Too much noise?
Too much everything.
Did you miss home?
Every day. I missed quiet streets.
And friendly faces.
Yes, people didn't say hello.
That feels strange.
Very strange.
So you came back.
I did, and I felt happy again.
That says a lot.
It does.
Adam, daily life sounds simple, but it's full of meaning.
Yes, small moments matter.
Morning tea.
A walk after dinner.
Talking to neighbors.
Knowing where you belong.
That's daily life.
That's real life.
I think our listeners can relate.
I think so too.
Some live in small towns, some want to.
Some live in cities but miss quiet life.
Everyone has a different story.
But daily life connects us.
Yes, work, food, family, rest.
Simple words, simple life.
Adam, I liked this conversation.
Me too. It felt real.
Like talking with a friend.
That's what we want.
Before we go, can we ask our listeners something?
Of course.
Dear listeners, do you live in a small town?
Or a big city.
Tell us in the comments.
What do you like about your daily life?
We want to hear your story.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Just write and share.
Thank you for listening today.
Thank you for being with us.
This is Mr. English Official.
We'll see you next time.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.